What is up, guys? My name is Talha. You're watching Guys First. So today I'm gonna give the full review of the Redmi Note 7 Pro. First of all, I'm gonna tell you the 5 pillars of a great smartphone. That is display, great battery, great build, great performance, and great cameras. So I'm gonna test everything, each and everything, and tell you guys what are my opinions of the Redmi Note 7 Pro in 2020. Let's start. First of all, its build. It looks absolutely stunning and hides all the fingerprint due to its smooth feeling. And then it has great reflection, so you can see the back panel is protected with Gorilla Glass 5 so it doesn't get scratched up easily. You can see there are no scratches, and I have been using this phone since around a month, and you can see there are no scratches and the reflection is just looking outstanding. So I love the back panel of this phone, especially in this blue color, Nebula Blue. The phone looks absolutely stunning. Look at the reflection it is giving. It gives different reflections in different lighting conditions. Now at the bottom there is the Redmi branding and designed by Xiaomi written there. So now let's come to the ports. So the speakers, USB Type C on the right side, buttons, left side, left side SIM card. Then there is the usual camera bump you guys can see. And now let's come to the display. So there is a 16 megapixel front camera, and this display changes wallpapers every time. So that is just amazing. Then there are just great wallpapers on the lock screen that are shown, and this feature you can enable. It is called wallpaper carousel. Now this is the display. There is just great sharpness, contrast. Look at this. There is just great contrast. Sharpness is just looking amazing, and it can play YouTube videos in 1080p. And this is an IPS LCD HDR10 compatible display, and it is having a 6.3-inch Super SD Full HD display. Now let's just see the full brightness. You can see it looks pretty bright, and the viewing angles are also great. You can see the phone from both all the angles, and still there is no color shift in the display. Although it's IPS LCD, then also it is having no color shift in the display. And I just love the display, and that water drop notch looks absolutely stunning. So, and as I told you, the wallpaper changing is amazing, and it has great contrast. It just looks absolutely like an AMOLED display, and the colors are also very sharp. Now let's come to the performance. The performance of this phone is amazing. It has great performance. Snapdragon 660, 675 holds the smartphone here. It has great performance. Everything opens very nicely, and with 6 gigs of RAM, you can multitask easily. There is no problem in multitasking. Now let's test the battery life. So I'm gonna show you guys the battery life of this smartphone. So let's just open. So it is 46%, and see the battery usage. I have been using this phone since a long time, and today also I have used this phone very extensively, and still you can see it has a very good battery life. You can see it has a very good battery life. I have been using a lot of apps there, and the battery capacity is 4000 mAh, and this 4000 mAh battery holds up for a long time, long time. Now the overall MIUI is very snappy and smooth. You can see everything opens very nicely. It is a breeze to use this phone because of the MIUI 11 update. This phone feels the best. It is so smooth, guys. I believe me, it is so smooth. And there's just no lag or stutter at all with the Snapdragon 675 and MIUI combined. There's no lag and stutter. Every app opens quick. Multitasking is a breeze, switching between apps is amazing, and I just totally love this smartphone in terms of the performance and the smoothness. Now let's come to the cameras. So on the back it is a 48 megapixel main snapper and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. And it is all protected with Gorilla Glass 5, so your cameras won't get scratched easily. And on the front, it has a 16 megapixel front camera. It can also take some great selfies. So let's see the samples taken from this smartphone. you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. And share this video with all your friends and families who guys are interested in the Redmi Note 7 Pro. And I will keep making videos about these phones, and first my exams are coming, after that I will keep making videos about this. My name is Talha, you're watching Gadgets Fair. Thanks for watching, signing off.